What's up, guys? So today we're fishing the pond today on the drum boat, and as you can see behind me, everything's a little wet and it's a little drizzly. It's been raining for the past couple of days, but the conditions have been pretty good, and hopefully we stay dry, but also while catching a lot of fish on this overcast day. And I hope y'all enjoy the video. We're out on the boat. Whoops, and we got the buzz bait. Got the weightless Walmart Senko. It's very drizzly this morning. This part of Texas has gotten a lot of rain, especially during the hurricane and after. The water is pretty murky, but I don't think the fish mind too much. We're in the middle, which is probably the deepest part, and there's these stumps. So I'm just shaking my jig head, just shaking it down by these stumps, hoping it gets a little munched through. Oh, got a big one. Walmart Senkos do catch pretty big fish. I just got hit. Oh my goodness. Do I not set the hook on? Is that like impossible for me to do? Got one. It's a big one. Oh. Woo. The drop shot catches big fish. Pretty. Right. Boom. Sugar. So guys, I think that will be it for today. We didn't fish for too long because the conditions were so bad, but since I got off the water, they're now perfect now. It's not pouring down rain on me, and I'm actually dry now. So we didn't catch too many fish, but it was still really fun. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye. I caught 2 fish on the Zoom baby bass fluke on the drop shot, and a nice 2.5 pounder on this Senko on a texture rig.